ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's Diego, your international video producer here in beautiful Colombia, South America, near the equator, and it's hot here. Ooh, it's good. I like it hot. Now, you came to Colombia, you found a beautiful future husband or wife, and you've dated this person for a year or plus or 2 years. You've been to Colombia 2 or 3 times. You've established a bona fide legitimate relationship with this person, and you've put together a strong visa package for your K1 visa. You've got a year's worth of evidence and documentation, and you mail your visa package, your K1 visa package, off to the lockbox, okay, from the address you got from the USCIS.gov webpage. And if you use a courier service like FedEx or UPS, more than likely that address is Louisville, Texas. And you've got in the mail a letter of notification saying that immigration has received your K1 visa. Now, on this letter of notification, there is a 13-digit, on the top left-hand corner, there is a 13-digit USCIS receipt number. Okay, USCIS will assign you a personal receipt number to track your case as it goes through the process. Now, the first 3 characters of the case receipt number are 3 letters. And these letters represent or identify the service center, okay, the service center where the lockbox has sent your package to. Now, if you are curious about this receipt number, this 13-digit number, it's used to help track your case. Okay? If you are curious about it, here's a brief explanation. Okay, the first 3 characters on this 13-digit receipt number represent the service center that is processing your case. If it says EAC, that's the Eastern Adjudication Center, which is in Vermont. If it says WAC, that is the Western Adjudication Center, which is in California, the California Service Center. If it's LIN, that is the Lincoln Service Center in Nebraska. If it's SRC, SRC is the Southern Regional Center in Texas. If it says NBC, not the TV news station, if it says NBC, that's the National Benefit Center. If it says MSC, that is the Missouri Service Center, which is a National Benefit Center. And if it says IOE, that is the USCIS Electronic Immigration System, or the ELIS. Now, immigration process your visas via a fiscal year, okay? And after the 3-letter code, which identifies which service center is processing your case, the next 2 characters will identify the fiscal year in which USCIS opened your case. The United States government uses a fiscal year, which is different, of course, from the regular calendar year for immigration purposes. The immigration fiscal year begins on October 1st, and it ends 12 months later on September 30th. That's the fiscal year for U.S. immigration. Okay, so if the U.S., let's say for example Texas has your file, okay, you will have a receipt number that says SRC, for example, Southern Regional Center, Texas, and if it says 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, that is the fiscal year that your receipt number was read. So let's suppose you're in 2022 and you went to Texas, it will be SRC 22. Now you understand how to identify the service center that's processing your case. Now you know what fiscal year your case was opened, and now the next 3 digits in this 13-digit case file number is the case number, and this identifies the computer workday that USCIS opens your case. Okay, the computer workday counts all regular work days except for weekends and holidays, which are excluded. Okay? So if your case number says SRC 22018, that means the South Service Center in Texas is handling your case in fiscal year 22, okay, on the on the 18th workday of fiscal year 2022. The last 5 digits of this tracking number, let's say for example you have the number 10,000, 10000. This might be the 10,000th application that was opened by the Texas Service Center during fiscal year 2022, and that's it. That's how simple it is, ladies and gentlemen. So now you are an expert in the USCIS tracking number that you received on your letter of notification, which you're going to use to track your visa as it processes through the system. Now you are armed with all this information and you understand the 13-digit tracking number that was assigned to you on your letter of notification, which is your first letter of notification. You can now open up an account with USCIS. You can joyfully type in this tracking number and you will be able to figure out where you are in the process of getting your fiancé to the United States of America, the land of the free and the home of the brave. Now, I hope this information was helpful to you, and I will see you, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, in Colombia. And good luck with your visa petition.